Hello, grade 12 and I guess 11s. I'm going to be going over 6.3, number 5, A and C. So, the question is solve the equations algebraically, give exact values uh, when possible. That's always gets messed up on this, but anyway, when possible in two things, or for in two ways, between 0 and 2 pi and the general solution. So that's when you do plus n 2 pi or 2 pi n or however you want to say it. So anyway, for A, we just need to manipulate the equation, move the 1 across, then divide by 2. So cos of x is negative 1 over 2, and using this triangle we can find when cos is equal to negative 1 over 2, which is at 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. So then we take those two answers and we do 2 pi over 3 plus n2 pi and 5 pi over 3 plus n2 pi. So, some people like to write it differently, like 2n pi or 2 pi n, but I prefer it that way. And it's very important to say n is an integer, so it has to be a full revolution. Now for C, it's a bit more complex. So what you start off by doing is you take a cos out of the entire thing, and you are left with cos root 2 cos of x minus 1, and that equals 0. So at this point we have two separate equations that both to equal 0, so we need to split them apart. So cos of x equals 0, and we know that cos of x is 0 at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So we have to put pi over 2 plus n pi. This one is different because we don't do 2 pi, because by adding just pi we also cover this, the 3 pi over 2. So the correct solution would be every half revolution, not every full revolution. So we just need to do n pi. Now for the other half, where it's root 2 cos of x minus 1 equals 0. So we rearrange it, bring the 1 and divide it by root 2. So cos of x equals 1 over root 2. And we use this triangle, the pi over 4 or 45 degrees, whichever you would prefer. And then we get the two solutions, pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. And I should have mentioned it's also very important to make sure you have the right sign, like not sign the function, the positive or negative, to find which quadrant it is in. So pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4, so pi over 4 plus n2 pi and 7 pi over 4 plus n2 pi. I forgot to write. N is an integer. Very important. Okay. I hope you enjoy.